Hey everybody, welcome back to Conscientious Omnivore. My name is Pal. Back at the strawberry patch up front at the property again. Mrs. CO is going to be potting a few of the suckers so we can get more of these growing elsewhere. So the idea is we're going to use some soil, fill up these little pots, and then we are going to take, or she's going to do this actually, she's going to take these little suckers and get them in the ground. Once they've been in there a few weeks and rooted, we'll cut them off here, and then that'll be a separate little plant that we can go. You may remember that when I was planting these, I actually got a lot more plants by doing the same thing and potting the suckers. So yep, let's see if it works again. So there you go, we got a few, I think there's 4 in total. And you can see the point is to not try to bury them too much, especially if you have leaves already coming out at the end of the suckers. You want them to be sticking out, just like here as well. Basically just want the very tip of it in the soil. It's going to send roots down. This one already had some nice little roots going on it, so you can see it's a little bit further along. But yeah, you just leave these in here a little bit. Just like I showed you in my other video about how I propagated a bunch of strawberries for free. And yeah, basically just come back in a little later and snip the suckers, and you've got a brand new plant, and you can plant that wherever you want. So that's what we're going to do, move it to another location. So yeah, hope you found this useful, and make sure to subscribe if you want to see where we end up planting these, and where they will hopefully be growing even nicer than here, where it's a little bit too sunny for them, I think. And also I think we're going to come back in here and weed again, and then we have a bunch of spent mushroom substrate that we got recently, which I showed you guys in a sneak peek, and I think some of that is going to come in here and keep the weeds down a little bit. So anyway, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys liked it. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up, and see you in another video soon. Bye.